Now let's see the next point, next topic, measurement of time and method of measuring time. Now you can see over here, to measure time, it is to measure the length of time. We know that following units measuring time is, you can see here the measuring time unit. When we measure the time, that time we use this word, this units like second, week, time, fortnight, minute, then hour, month, millennium, century, year, day. A second is the smallest unit to measure time. Second is the smallest of this unit. These are various methods of measuring of time in different part of the world. Of this common era or Christian era is the most of widely used. As I told you, there are different type of method to use to calculate the times, but commonly in the world, common era means Christian era, widely used in all over the world. We generally indicate the particular day by writing date and day. The day consists of the serial number that day, followed by the name of serial number of current months and the serial number of current year. When we measure, we generally indicate the particular day by writing date of the day. And when we measure a time, actually we are measuring the length of time. When we measure the time, that time we mostly use these units like second, week, time, fortnight, minute, hour, month, million, century, year and day. This is a unit of measuring time, and second is a very small unit to measure a time. There are other methods to use. We seen that the Christian era began in the memory of Jesus Christ. It is an age-old custom start a new era, commemorated a special event. For example, we know the coronation ceremony of the great King Shivaji Maharaj. That coronation ceremony of Shivaji Maharaj taken place in Raigad Fort. We know that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had started new era known as Shaka era. Known as Shaka era. What? Shaka era. We also call that Rajyabhishek Shaka. We knowing that coronation ceremony taken place in Raigad Fort. In Raigad Fort, that time Shivaji Maharaj started new era that's called Rajyabhishek Shaka. In 1647 AD, commemorate his coronation. In which year the coronation ceremony took place in 1647, and in 1674 Shivaji Maharaj started new eras that's called Rajyabhishek Shaka. In India, there are two eras are used in India, that is Shalivan Shaka and Vikram Sawant Shaka. The founder of Islam, Prophet Muhammad, migrated from Makkah to Medina, and that time the Hijri era was started by him to commemorate this event. There were also Parsi community in India used the Shehanshahi era. Which Shehanshahi era? Shehanshahi era used by Parsi community people. Hijri era used by Islam community. That time for Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam community, he migrated to Makkah to Medina, and that time he was started a new era named Hijri era. So this is an example of some eras. Now here see this chart is showing the Shivaji Maharaj, some important event of Shivaji Maharaj. You can see in 1630 Shivaji Maharaj birth is showing here. In 1630 Shivaji Maharaj born. Then oath of Hindavi Swarajya taken by Shivaji Maharaj in 1645. Then escape from Agra. Here Shivaji Maharaj escaped from Agra in 1666, and the coronation ceremony took place on Raigad Fort in 1674, and in 1680 Shivaji Maharaj was died. This chart is showing the important events of life of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So what is the time period of Shivaji Maharaj? That is 1630. In 1630 Shivaji Maharaj born in February month, and in 1680 Shivaji Maharaj was died in March.